everybody, just Ron here. Make sure if you like the videos I'm putting on now, you hit the bell for so you can be updated when new videos come out. Right now I'm still kind of doing like a lot of opening boxes and how-to videos. Still trying to find my niche, but I appreciate everybody's comments and people who view the videos, especially people who like them. And if you have feedback, let me know. So, quick story here. I was at Lowe's the other day, and I saw this Kobalt driving bit set. Here's the item number here, 1333928. Originally a $35 value, and it was actually $19.99, and it was on the 50% off rack. So I figured never have enough, bits around the house, so I picked it up. So the cool thing about this one comes with the 18 pack of the number 2, which is the regular Phillip heads. It comes with 2 magnetic nut setters, 1/4 of an inch and 5/16 of an inch, which is pretty cool. And the cool thing about these things are, look over the speed fit. You can come out here and you can do your drilling, you can do your specialized screws here and your regular screws here. You can do your drilling, you can do your specialized bits, you can do your standard bits. And it just pops in and out of your drill, making it really quick. Also, it does come with a quick set here. Do allow you to do the same thing. This piece is pretty cool here. It comes with your traditional, Phillip flathead, square, and star. Here's all your sizes of your star. Here's all your sizes of the squares. I don't know exactly what they call. And there's your Phillips and flatheads. So overall, pretty good deal. Paid $9 for it. 65 pieces total. All of them are magnetic. Great for wood and plastic. So let's open it up and take a quick look at it real quick. So once again, here's your set. Open it up. Saving time and listening to good feedback from people saying sometimes they don't want to see me open things up. So I'll open it up on the pause and show you what's going on. So like I said before, it comes with the 18 pack of the number 2s, which are your standardized Phillip heads here. And pretty cool. You just open it up, push it to your right, open, push it, so push it over now, and you got your number 2s. So it comes with 18 of these. These are great. These are great. Pops right in, magnetic. Go right into your drill or your screwdriver, whatever. Works great. So here are your 2 magnetics nut setters. Got things pop in and out of there. Both of those are pretty cool. When we talk about the different types of screws here, you have all your stars, every size here, flatheads, Phillips, and your quick set here, which is pretty cool. So the cool thing about this is, when you're doing a project, you take the quick set, pops right in, magnetic, ready to screw. When you finish with this one, you pop it out. You get your next one, another size, pops right in, magnetic. Done with this, pull it out, pop it back out. I'll tell you now, these things are pretty cool. Makes any job easier. Makes it so much faster using these. You can get, and everybody makes them, not just Kobalt. So, but when you're looking for a drill bit set, that's definitely a must. Okay, so back over here we have the shorter ones here, the T's. I think these are all T's, so different sizes. Then you have the square ones, what are called they're square shaped, different sizes. Then you have the Phillips. You have the flatheads, the different variation sizes of the flatheads. So overall, it's a pretty good deal for $10. You can't beat that. Taking it out of the box here, and I'm going to take my magnetic nut setters and just put them inside here so I don't lose them. They're here. Taking the remainder of the number 2s, put back in my lock box here, slide it over, it's secure. There's everything. And for $9 you get 18 of these number 2s. The quick set quick set tool here. You also get the two magnetic nut setters, 1/4 and 5/16. I think it said 5/8 earlier. It's a 5/16. And overall, great product. Great price. Got it on sale. If you can get it on sale, that's even better. Check out your local Lowe's. Thing comes around here, snaps down, good to go. This right here sits on top of it. Remove it from the name of Kobalt. Ready to go into your toolbox. It's for item 133928. Kobalt. 18 pieces here. 40 some odd pieces in here. Got my two magnetic got my two magnetic nut setters, 1/4 of an inch is one, and then 5/16 inches the other. And I have an assortment of stars, squares, pillow pairs, and flathead screw accessories. Alright, thank you everybody. Take care. Be safe.